What's the meaning of costume? Costume. Costume.
Costume. Costume. The term costume generally refers to a particular style of dress or clothing worn by an individual or group of people. It can also refer to a specific outfit worn for a particular occasion, such as a theatrical performance or Halloween. Costumes often involve unique or elaborate designs and can be used to convey a certain character or theme. They are commonly associated with entertainment and performance industries, but can also be used in everyday life to express personal style or cultural identity.